Hello everyone. Today we will discuss our next topic in this chapter, which is describing the motion of particles. Let us understand it clearly. When a particle started movement or is in motion, then it will cover some path. It will cover some path. Here, from A to B, if a particle start movement, then it will cover a distance from point A to B, later called a distance x. And here we will define the path covered in two ways. The first is called distance traveled, and second is called displacement. Let us understand it clearly. Let us first understand it through example. पहले एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं कि डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड क्या है और डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या है. Let us consider two points, a point A and a point B. If a body or particle start a movement in two different ways. If a particle moved directly from point A to point B through a shortest path like this, and the other path it is the longest path, maybe like this or like this. In three ways the particle cover the path. So which path we will say it is distance, or which path we will say that it is the displacement. According to the definition of distance traveled, the actual length of the path covered by a moving body, irrespective of the direction, is known as distance traveled. And according to the definition of displacement, the shortest path covered by an object is known as displacement. So here the shortest path is this. Yes, it is the displacement. And with irrespective of direction, it is distance traveled. जो हमारा शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ होगा किसी दो ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में, उससे हम बोलेंगे डिस्प्लेसमेंट. और जो लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ होगा बिना किसी, चाहे वो डायरेक्शन चेंज करता है या ना चेंज करता है, उससे हम बोलेंगे डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड. Here you all should note a point that the total distance traveled cannot be zero, but the final displacement can be zero. Let us understand through example. If a body or any object moves from A to B through the shortest path and it comes back to A through the shortest path, then we have to tell what is their final displacement. At first the displacement is x kilometer, and at second the displacement is also x kilometer. But what is the final displacement? Then the final displacement will be x minus x. Why x minus x? Because we all know that the displacement is the shortest path covered. पहले पार्ट में ये A to B तो गया, तो ये हो गया डिस्प्लेसमेंट. लेकिन फिर इसने डायरेक्शन चेंज की और दूसरा डिस्प्लेसमेंट किया, तो फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट में इसने डायरेक्शन चेंज कर लिया, तो फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी ये माइनस हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे हमारा डिस्प्लेसमेंट, फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट ज़ीरो हो सकता है. बट वॉट अबाउट द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड? वी ऑल नो दैट the distance traveled is the actual total path covered. Hence the distance traveled be x plus x, and it be 2x, and hence a displacement can be zero, but the distance traveled cannot be a zero.